Hello everyone, my name is Arun Mehta and you are watching my YouTube channel Arun Mehta Quality Talk. Friends, under my ongoing series Become Agribusiness and Quality Expert in 100 Days, today is my 52nd episode. Today I am going to discuss the topic what is quality process grid and how it works. Friends, when you do any activity, you have to follow certain process to do that task. And that process should be correct and it should be correctly understood by every stakeholders before implementation. But in reality, generally is not happened in most of the cases. In one of the research, it was found that average knowledgeable person required 10 attempts to do that particular process correctly. It means that you have to tell at least 10 times to any average person to implement that process correctly. It is important that to achieve success in any work, we have to do right thing right on first attempt. If it is not done right thing right on first attempt, that it will cost heavily, because whatever wrong attempt you will do, that will cost to your company. So our aim should be to do the right thing right on first attempt itself. Now let's talk about what is quality process grid. Quality process grid is basically comprised of 4 activities which most of the people do. First is doing right thing wrong. And second is doing wrong thing right. And third is doing wrong thing wrong. And fourth, which is required to be done, is doing right thing right. So let's understand this complex situation with very simple example. Let's assume that we want to send ripe tomatoes in 10 kg pack from one collection center to warehouse. So what is the process? What process is involved in that? We have to send the ripe tomatoes in right quantity and in right packaging. This is a process which we have to do. But actually, what happened? What people do? Let's understand how right thing wrong happened. We decided to send tomatoes, okay? That is right, because it is under process. But in gunny bag packing. Person had sent the tomato, he did the right thing, but he sent in gunny bag packing, which was wrong. So he did the right thing in wrong way. The second thing is doing wrong thing right. He sent tomatoes in gunny bag. So he is doing wrong thing. But the weight was 10 kg. It was right. We told him to send 10 kg tomato, but he sent in gunny bag. So he did wrong thing right. Now the third scenario is wrong thing wrong. He sent tomatoes in gunny bag, which was wrong, and weight was also 20 kg instead of 10 kg. This was also wrong. So he did wrong thing wrong. He sent tomatoes in gunny bag in 20 kg quantity. But the fourth process grid which is right thing right. He sent 10 kg ripe tomato in plastic crate because sending 10 kg ripe tomato was right process and sending in plastic crate is also right process. So the right thing was sending 10 kg tomato in plastic crate. So it is very important that when you do any process, you understand each and every whatever is required to do that, and do not repeat the mistakes. In entire process grid, you should eliminate the three things: right thing wrong, wrong thing right, wrong thing wrong, and only on first attempt, you should do right thing right. Only then you can achieve the best thing. Only then you can reduce the cost of doing the things in your company, and only then you can achieve the success very fast. So friends, I hope you like this video today. If you like this video, please forward this to your colleagues and friends. Tomorrow I will bring video on some other topic. Till then, remain happy, be happy, and keep watching my videos. Namaskar. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.